Welcome to day 13 of your level 3 meditation journey. Today's practice, expanded awareness meditation, will dissolve boundaries and rest in spacious presence. Find a comfortable position. Let your spine be long and let your shoulders soften. Close your eyes or soften your gaze. Take a deep inhale and a slow, steady exhale. Again, inhale deeply and exhale fully. Now, bring awareness to your breath. Feel the inhale. Feel the exhale. Now expand your awareness to your whole body. Feel your chest, your arms, your legs, your face. Now expand further to the space around your body. Feel the air, the room, the sounds. Now expand beyond the room to the sky, the earth, the stars. Let your awareness stretch in all directions. You are not limited to your body. You are awareness itself, spacious, open, infinite. Silently say, I am not contained. I am not separate. I am awareness. Now imagine your body dissolving into light. You are a field of presence. Soft, radiant, still. Thoughts may arise. Let them pass. Emotions may stir. Let them soften. You remain spacious. You remain open. You remain aware. Now breathe into this field. Let it expand. Let it settle. Silently say, I am the space in which life unfolds. I am the witness and the field. I am unity. Take a final deep inhale, locking in this spaciousness. And a long exhale, anchoring it into your being. Return to your natural breath. Open your eyes or lift your gaze. You've completed day 13, expanded awareness meditation on Mindforge. Take care. Bye-bye.